Good morning, my dear students. This is Santosh Manja, chemistry lecturer. So from today onwards, I am going to start our second organic chapter. That is nothing but alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Very important chapter, beta. So from this chapter, the word weight is 7 marks will be appears. One 2-mark question, one more is 5-mark question. And this is our first video class, beta. So in this class, I am going to start about the alcohols. Alcohol general formula is nothing but ROH, or we can say CnH2n plus 1 OH. So what is the definition of alcohols? Definition of alcohol is hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Means alcohols are derived from the aliphatic hydrocarbons by the replacement of OH in place of H. Let us see how. What is the formula of aliphatic hydrocarbons? R bonded to H. This is the formula of aliphatic hydrocarbon. From this aliphatic hydrocarbon, I am going to remove the hydrogen. In that place, I am going to replace the group is nothing but OH group. That's why we are saying hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon. So position of H taken by OH. So the answer is nothing but ROH. So this is the formula of what, beta? Alcohols. In that alcohols, always be careful, Nana. OH group should be connected to the carbon. The carbon is nothing but sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. Let us see example. Aliphatic hydrocarbon. You suppose the example is CH4. From that CH4, one hydrogen replaced by OH. So we are getting the example is nothing but CH3 bond OH. Means we are getting methyl alcohol. So methane gives methyl alcohol and ethane gives ethyl alcohol. So what is the formula of ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH. Like that number of examples we can consider. So these all are nothing but the hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Such compounds are known as alcohols. Okay, beta. Next now I am going to discuss about the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. Mainly alcohols are classified into 3 types. Classification of alcohols. So mainly they are classified into how many types? 3 types. In that, type number 1, based on number of OH groups. Based on number of OH groups. Based on number of hydroxy groups, again alcohols are classified into 3 types. They are monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, polyhydric alcohols. Number 1 is monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. The meaning is nothing but in their alcoholic structure they are having only one hydroxy group. So formula CH3 bond CH2 bonded to OH means methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, like that we can consider, beta. So this is nothing but ethyl alcohol, or we can say ethanol. This is the example for monohydric alcohol category, beta. Number 2 is dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. First suppose example is nothing but CH2 bond OH bonded to CH2 bond OH. You know this formula very well. This is nothing but ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Here how many OH groups are there? 2 OH groups are there. So we can say this is nothing but dihydric alcohols. Next one is, so presence of 1 OH monohydric, presence of 2 OH dihydric. More than 2 OH means trihydric, tetrahydric, all we can consider under polyhydric category. So we have to say that third one is polyhydric alcohol. Means these alcohols they are having in their structures more than 2 OH groups. Let us write example. CH2 bond OH bond, CH bonded to OH bond, again CH2 bonded to OH. I hope this structure also you know very well. Very important structure, beta. This is called glycerol. It is a trihydric alcohol, belongs to polyhydric category. And one more example I want to give you, very important. Compound number 1 is sorbitol. Objective point of view important. And one more is nothing but mannitol. Sorbitol and mannitol. Both they are nothing but examples of hexahydric category. So both are the examples of which alcohols, beta? Hexahydric alcohols. Means in their structures they are having 6 OH groups. Let us see example. Formula क्या हो सकता है? CH2 bond OH bond, CHOH taken 4 bond CH2OH. So यहाँ पर 4 OH 5 6. This is nothing but hexahydric category, again belongs to polyhydric alcohol. Classification of alcohol 1 is over, beta. Next, second classification. Alcohols having sp3COH bonds. Means in their alcohols, OH connected carbon should contain the hybridization is nothing but sp3. Based on this category, again alcohols, they are classified into 3 types. Very important. What are the 3 types? Right, number 1 is nothing but alkyl alcohols. What beta? Alkyl alcohols is same formula we can consider ROH, and also we can say that CnH2n plus 1 OH. So simple formula of alkyl alcohol is nothing but again we can say ROH. Let us see some examples. R bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH, OH connected carbon, carbon contain the hybridization is nothing but what beta? sp3. One more example. R bonded to CH, CH connected to one more R group, again it connected to OH, here also carbon contain hybridization sp3. One more example I want to consider. R bonded to C, above plane R, below plane R, bonded to OH. Here also OH connected to carbon, again carbon contain hybridization is nothing but sp3. But listen carefully, all 3 are alkyl alcohols. But first one is primary alkyl alcohol because of OH connected to carbon, it connected to one more carbon or alkyl group. यहाँ पर carbon connected to 2, यहाँ पर carbon connected to 3 other. So we can say second one is secondary alkyl alcohol and third one is nothing but tertiary alkyl alcohol. Right. In that second category, second one is in that allylic alcohols. Alkyl alcohols, number 1. Number 2 is allylic alcohols. What is mean by allylic alcohols? Very important. OH group is connected to, OH group is bonded to sp3 carbon. OH group is bonded to sp3 carbon. Next to C double bond C group. I will show you in examples. CH2 double bond CH bonded to CH2 bonded to OH. CH2 double bond CH is nothing but a vinyl group. Very important, beta. Vinyl connected carbon is allyl, or we can say double bonded side carbon is allyl. Allyl carbon connected to OH, so we can say allyl alcohol. Let us write one more example. CH2 double bond CH bonded to CH, it connected to CH3, again bonded to OH. Again one more example, beta. CH2 double bond CH bonded to C, above plane CH3, below plane B CH3, bonded to OH. Double bonded side carbon, double bonded side carbon, double bonded side carbon means all 3 are allylic carbons. And all 3 allylic carbons, they are having the hybridization is what beta? sp3 hybridization. So this is primary allylic alcohol and secondary allylic alcohol, and this is tertiary allylic alcohol. Type 2 classification is also over. But the type 2 main category 3 types, one alkyl, one more is nothing but allylic, and third one is nothing but benzylic alcohols. Which category beta? Benzylic alcohols. Sir, what is mean by benzylic alcohols? Let us see a small definition. OH group is connected to, OH group is bonded to, again same thing, sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. Next to aromatic ring. OH group is connected to sp3 carbon, that carbon connected to aromatic ring. Right, example. Yes, this is nothing but aromatic ring, nothing but benzene molecule or benzene ring. So it connected to carbon. Which carbon? sp3 carbon. Good. Again, that sp3 carbon connected to what is the group beta? OH. So this carbon is called benzyl carbon. Now benzyl carbon connected to OH. So we can say primary benzylic alcohol. Next, again same thing. This is nothing but benzene ring. Simply we can say phenyl ring. Phenyl group connected to what is the group Nana? Allylic carbon. The allylic carbon is nothing but we can say CH. Again that allylic carbon connected to one more carbon. Now it is connected to what beta? OH. So this is secondary benzyl alcohol. Next, we can consider one more example. Again, phenyl group connected to C. This is this is benzylic carbon. Again, connected to carbon number 1, methyl group. Again, below plane also connected to one more methyl. It is connected to OH group. So in all three cases, benzene connected carbon, benzene connected carbon, benzene connected carbon. This carbon is benzylic carbon, but this is primary benzylic alcohol, secondary benzylic alcohol, and this is nothing but tertiary benzylic alcohol. Type 2 classification is also over. Let us go for type 3 classification beta. Type 3 is alcohols having sp2COH bonds. Alcohols having sp2COH bonds. This is sp3 category, this is sp2 category. On the basis of sp2COH bonds, again alcohols are classified into two types. Number one is vinyl alcohols. Vinyl alcohols. Sir, what is vinyl group formula? क्या हो सकता है? Vinyl group का formula ये हो सकता है कि that is nothing but CH2 double bond CH. Vinyl group connected to what? Alcoholic group, that is nothing but what beta OH. So this is nothing but double bonded. Carbon is vinyl. It contains the hybridization is sp2. Next one is nothing but aryl alcohols. In simply our language we can say aryl alcohol का meaning A भी हो सकता है कि that is nothing but phenol. Okay, aryl means benzene ring connected to what is the group beta OH. OH connected carbon, it contains the hybridization is again sp2. So sp2COH bonds alcohols are two types, vinyl alcohols and aryl alcohols. How to define vinyl? OH group is connected to sp2 carbon of C double bond C group. OH group is connected to sp2 carbon of aromatic ring. This is the definition of aryl alcohol. ये तुम्हारा classification of alcohols बेटा. In next class we will discuss about the nomenclature of alcohols. Okay.